Hey, what's up, guys? How are you doing today? Yeah, in this video, we're gonna be discussing about Fiverr gig deranking, the factors that affect Fiverr gig deranking, and possibly how we can actually solve that gig deranking of a thing. I understand the fact that there are a lot of people who have been complaining about gig deranking of a thing, and of course, it's not that maybe Fiverr don't want you on the marketplace again, but many people are experiencing this Fiverr gig ranking, and lately I've done so many research and found out that there are different reasons why Fiverr rank the gigs. But I would like us to check on different type of category on Fiverr to see the kind of gigs, to see the gigs that have been ranked on Fiverr and what people are actually talking about the Fiverr gig ranking of the thing by checking on the Fiverr Forum, and also sharing the tips on how we can solve the ranking of the team. So here I would like to walk you through and see some gigs that have been the ranking on Fiverr. So let's check on web and mobile design to see some gigs that have been the ranking. And of course, there are some sellers on Fiverr, maybe they are newbie or a beginner who don't know if their gig has been the ranking on Fiverr. But you just notice that they are not getting any sales, no message, and the impression and the clicks are going down. So lately, I understand that once your gig has been ranked on Fiverr, you'll be able to see your gig on Fiverr search page, on the last page. I mean, so let's go into the web and mobile design category to see the gigs that have been ranking and see if those people are actually seeing order or no order anymore. And of course, I think there are some that will definitely be seeing some order due to the fact that they are having some reviews on their gig already. So possibility there will be some one or two orders on their gig. Well, of course, let's just check on to see what we are talking about. So lately, the last page in which you can see on Fiverr is, I think, is it up to 20 or 17? Okay, so yeah, this is even less than 14 page. Okay, let me check on 12. Okay, this is the 12th page, main page 12. So 14. Wow, okay, 14 is not appearing. 18. I just want to go to the last page so that you'll be able to see what we are actually talking about. 22. Okay, let me try 21. 21. Okay, I think this is the last page here. So this is a top rated seller. Okay, you see, yes, this one is having one orders in queue. You can see almost everyone here are having reviews. Almost everyone here, but it's not sure that all of them will have orders in queue due to the fact that their gig has been ranking or has been ranked. So I'll try to check this one too. This one also have orders in queue, one order in queue. So maybe the buyer that this seller have been working with already, so maybe they have a returning buyer. So I would like to check with some certain keywords to see, so that I'll be able to figure out what's going on. Let me check on company logo. Company logo. Okay. So you can see here it said there are 8,035 uh, gigs with these keywords. So let's check on the last page to see. What we are after is just the last page to see the ranking gigs and how many reviews they are having. 19, 21. Okay, you can see this certain particular gig here. You can see this one here. I don't think this kind of gauge should be in this kind of position, like page 21. For what reason? It doesn't supposed to be on this page. You can see here. So I think other gigs are likely to be new gigs. So that's the only one I can see for now. Okay, yeah, this one. So you can see this one low rating is affecting this gig. That's why the gig was deranked. Okay, let's say complete 22 to see. Okay, nothing to appear. Okay, I'll try to check on page 20. So around page 15 to 21, you'll be able to see the deranking gigs on Fiverr. So within those pages, you'll be able to see the deranking gigs. So I think no more deranking gigs on this page. So let me check on business logo. Okay, I actually want to check some different image though, but of course everything is just the same thing. So that's 8,000 gigs. Okay, so let's take from page 19 to see what's going on from there. Then from there we'll be checking the Fiverr Forum to see what people are actually talking about the ranking. Okay, let's say from page 18. You can see that this gigs here. This is 4.9 overall rating. Then no orders in queue, no order in queue at all. And the package is very amazing. Even say the premium package is 45 bucks. So you can see what I'm talking about here. And the funnest part is that all these gigs you are seeing here, if you check on page 10 or page 13, okay, let's say complete 13 here, you will see some gigs that doesn't have any reviews, and yet they are ranked over the one that are having a lot of reviews. But you can see here, these are 5.0 stars. You can see all this kind of gig. You can see all this kind of gig here. So they are trying to maintain their star so that their gig will not be deranked. You can see this one too. You can see all these ones. You can see all these ones here. You can see this one too. Even though the gig is having only 11 reviews, and it's on page 10. So the Fiverr ranking of a thing, or the ranking, the algorithm is yet to be understandable, because people are facing different kinds of issues, and there is no certain ways in which you can fix the ranking. Some people says that, like, I watched some videos that they said they used to fix, or they used to edit their gig almost every week, and then after editing gigs every week for 2 months, the gig later come back to the perfect page. So, and I think the seller also explained that he shared the gig and promote the gig on using the social media platform. So maybe that's what helped the gig to come back to the right page. So nothing bad about that. Nothing bad about that. If you're also experiencing this ranking of it, I would just advise you to just fix it up, like edit your gig, then promote your gig using social media platforms. So being said all this, so let's just check on the gig on the forum, on Fiverr Forum, so we can see what people are actually saying about the whole stuff. Okay, so here I input in what caused Fiverr gig ranking. So I was able to redirect it to Fiverr Forum and see what people are actually saying about the ranking. Okay, on this trade, they said gig the rank suddenly, so improve my gig. So it says this on Fiverr Forum. Fiverr gig the rank, improve my gig. Why my gig the rank? Then Fiverr the rank my gig without any reasons. Fiverr the ranking gigs for no reason. Then gig the rank without any reason. Let's check on this one. I think I have opened some already. So let's see what people are actually saying. Okay, manual writer. After a long month of promoting my gig on various social media, I got ranked to the first. So you can see what I'm talking about. What I just says back then. So the sale was high. By December 2019, I struggled with sales. I shift into action and discover Fiverr to my gig to the last page. Okay, I need someone to explain, is this done purposely or it's some bugs? I think it's just some bugs because even though if you contact the Fiverr support, they will also tell you that you should promote your gig, that they don't have any idea about the ranking of the thing, that you should promote your gig on social media platform. So let's check. I've opened the trade here. This one is even in Sonic King code. Okay, I hope you all are doing great in this pandemic time. Okay, I have a level 2 sellers. My top selling gig was ranked on the first page for years, and many days ago it got deranked earlier when anyone did search Photoshop editing. Also, few other keywords. My gig was come on the first page in search results, but nowadays even when I search it without my complete title, it does show at the very last page in search results for my gig title. So definitely, okay, let's see. It seems like an error, but I don't think CS will consider it as an error. So let us also discuss it by saying other reasons. So after searching a lot of page thread about this issue and reading many comments and analyzing my own account again and again, I reached to this point that in last 60 days my cancellation are 14th. You can see, so from which 6 were initiated by my side, 2 were initiated by buyer's side, and 6 were initiated by the customer support Fiverr. The ones which were initiated by customer support were not my fault in any of them, and they probably have not affected for my on my account negativity. So these are, I have, like I said, I have made some drafts on the factors that affect the ranking of the thing, and I'll be showing you the right here on my screen. So like what this seller is actually saying, I've explained everything here on the screen. So I'll just head up here to see. Okay, here I say the factors that affect Fiverr gig the ranking. There are many factors that can affect Fiverr gig the ranking, but below listed are the most common ones. So the first one I say is low rating. So if you are experiencing low rating on your gig, definitely Fiverr will consider that kind of service like it's not actually relevant. Like people do not like it. Buyer that are ordering that kind of service do not like it. So you just push your gig down, then pick up another gig so that maybe the person can be more better than yours. So maybe the person is more creative than your own. Then the second one is order cancellation, like the seller that will just check on the forum says like order cancellation. This also affect Fiverr gig the ranking. So then unstable IP, if you used to log in and log out on different type of devices, so this can also cause Fiverr gig the ranking as well. Then late delivery, try all your possible best never to deliver any order lately, because this also affect Fiverr gig the ranking, because Fiverr will just believe that you don't are not a full-time freelancer and you don't really have time to work on the platform. So they just consider you like maybe you're just looking for some bucks to survive. So you just push your gig down and give the chance to someone that actually full time interested in freelancing. Then the last one here is low response rate. Always try your best to respond to a buyer anytime they message you, like within 10 minutes. Try all your possible best to respond or to reply such a buyer, so they will know that you are actually full-time available to work with them on their project, and also they will believe that they will get their project delivered anytime soon. And also anytime they message you, they will believe that you will reply to their message or to their queries anytime they send you a message. So being said all this, I believe that you all understand what can cause Fiverr gig deranking and what you should take note of and how you should fix them, or to avoid all these kind of things, so that your gig will not be deranked on the Fiverr marketplace. And the best way, if you are experiencing this deranking of a thing, the best way is to promote your gig on social media, then edit your gig every week. I think that will definitely help you. But if you experience more other issues apart from this, then kindly use the comment section and I'll be very much available to reply your request. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share this video. But if you don't like, it's fine. It just depends on what you like. So have a nice day.